The first lecture I show you of that, carbon making sigma bond and pi bond, that wasn't of IUPAC. That was of, you can say, basic concept of chemistry. The real IUPAC starts here. Okay, so let's see my notes. See IUPAC. What's the you can say uh, like way of writing? What do you say? Format. Yeah, format of writing a nomenclature name. Say here is second degree prefix, first degree secondary prefix, primary prefix, then word root, then primary suffix, then secondary suffix. Uh, okay, so see here it is written secondary prefix, primary prefix, word root, primary suffix, secondary suffix. So what is word root? Word root is basically how many carbons are present in a compound. Like see how many carbons? One, two, three, four. 4 is given but. Not it's not gonna be red, but it's but. Yeah, some shit but, it's but. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It's gonna be called but. And it's word root, so it will come in middle. But. It's legit nothing. Word root is only about the number of carbons present in atoms. You have to, I guess, learn till 10, and that's easy. That's super easy. Meth, eth, prob, but, pent, hex, apt, oct, non, dec. That's all. I mean, these might come in handy, but I don't think they will be used. Okay, moving forward, we got to learn what is primary suffix. Primary suffix comes just after the word root, like but and xxx. Here the thing that's gonna come. And what's primary suffix now? See, I've written. Okay, it it is always added to the word root. It indicates whether the carbon chain is saturated or unsaturated. See, what's saturated? When the chain has a single bond, only single bond. Chain is made up of only single bonds, also known as sigma bonds. Then it is saturated. But if there is a pi bond or double pi bond, you know, double pi bond, it's unsaturated. That's it. That's simple. See, if it's saturated, the primary suffix would be "ene", and the German name alkane. Remember in the first lecture I told you what's alkane, alkene, and alkyne. Just that, last three words it would be added. So, and if it's unsaturated with one double bond, like if imagine it's like, wait a minute, I will give example. Just listen. So right now it's 4C with no pi bond or double pi bond. It's just sigma bonds. So it would be the prefix would be "ane". So C 1 2 3 4 but "ane". Since we got nothing else, like we don't have any secondary sub prefix, primary prefix, or secondary suffix, we only have these both, and so this is the name of this compound, butane. That's it, simple. I just said you gotta pick one thing, one shit from this chart, one shit from this chart, and that's all there is to IUPAC. So butane. Okay, and now if we see, say, unsaturated with double bond, like C C C C C. So now it's an unsaturated compound because it have an alkene, you can say. Yeah, it's sad alkene, I mean, you can say what. So 1 2 3 4, it's but, and the suffix is "ene". So butene. That's in case if there is only one double bond. If there is two double bonds, then it would be named butane. I'm in a hurry because there is time running out, dude. See, unsaturated with double, no, with one triple bond. Sorry, my bad to get it. Okay, if it's like C C C, then triple bond C, then it's butane. The alkyne, alkyne, butane. In case In case, yeah, there are more, there are three more. In case there are two double bonds like this one, the one I showed before, I messed up. This one, two double bonds. See, they're double bonds, they're not triple bonds. Okay, then it would be name as A plus diene, and the general name is alkydiene. Yeah, you don't have to remember it. In plus, like, it's two, so di. When there are like, imagine if there are three double bonds, like three double bonds, then it would be tri, petra, and the other shit. Okay, just I don't think you will get more than this. Okay, if there are if there are two triple bonds, c c c, two triple bonds, then it would be diene, like alkene, then diene. Simple, dude, simple. No, 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 no. Diene. Sorry. My bad. Yeah, see, that's how we get confused. Yeah, this simple thing, but we still get confused like this. See, diene. Okay, diene, diene, diene. However you pronounce it, just write it properly. Okay, if there are both double bond and triple bond, like if in a compound there are both double bond and triple bond, then it could be called anion. ENYNE, anion. Okay, like, it's the primary suffix, but I am telling you there is something more. Like, when you will be naming, there are few rules, so we will only, like, write the name of this shit. We will forget about this. Yeah, there is a rule, you will understand it, but for now, like, if we name this compound, then it would be called 1 2. Look, wait a minute. Yeah, here, not here. 1 2 3 4 5. What's the word root of 5? The word root for 5 is pent, and since there is an alkene, this is 5 pent, the suffix would be, with one double one, ene, pentene. See, that's easy. Now moving further to secondary suffix. See, here the things get a little crazy. These are the functional groups. Functional groups. Now, what are functional groups? Functional groups are something that decides the chemical properties and physical properties of the things. Like, if you add these, if you add one of these, क्या हुआ?